Hi everyone, I am Dev Salakji from CAC department. Here we are going to discuss about the subject computer architecture and organization. Let's we can see about pipelining. Pipelining is a CPU hardware design technique used to enhance overall performance in a pipeline process. Operations are divided into stages that are executed in parallel. This allows multiple instructions to be processed simultaneously, each in a different stage of execution. Pipeline processor. The pipeline processor is a type of CPU architecture that improves processing speed by dividing instructions execution into separate stages. Each stage handles the specific part of the instruction, such as fetching, decoding, executing, memory access, and writing results. While one instruction is being executed, other are moving through the earlier stages, allowing multiple instructions to be processed at the same time. This is similar to an assembly line in a factory where different workers handle different tasks on multiple products simultaneously. Design of basic pipeline. In a pipeline processor, a pipeline has two ends, the input and the output end. Between these ends, there is a multiple stages segments, such as the output of one stage is connected to the input of the next stage, and each stage performance a specific operation. Interface registers are used to hold the intermediate output between two stages. Components of the diagram. First one is the data, stages, registers, computation units, and control unit, as well as the data out. So in this, the structure of the pipeline processor. So in this, we are having the control unit, and then we are having the stage 1 S1 as well as stage S2 till we are having the stage S2. In this, we are having the data in, and then it will be given to the register, and it will be processed, and finally we will get the data output also. Working. In the clock cycle 1, data enters into stage 1. In clock cycle 2, data moves to the stage 2, while new data enters into the stage 1. The process continues, and each state simultaneously processing in a different piece of data. Eventually, the output appears at the end after passing through all stages. Various instructions for 5-stage pipelining. An instruction in a pipeline refers to a single operation or command that executed by the processor, which passes through multiple sequential stages. That is, a first decode executes as part of the pipeline execution process. Instructions and stages for pipeline. In this, we are having the 7 instructions. Then each instruction passes through each stages, and the instruction and after another follows is the same stage as the previous instructions had passed through, which given in the below diagram. So this is the main diagram for this one. This we are having 5-stage pipelining. So that is a instruction fetch, decode, execute, memory access, as well as the write back. So in each and every execution will be executed in a clock cycle. Fetch instruction. The processor fetches the instruction from the memory using the program counter. Instruction decoding. The first instruction is decoded to understand what it needs to do. Execute instruction performs the actual computation or calculates the effective memory access. Memory access if needed for loading the storing the instructions. Write operand. The result of the instruction is write back to the register file.